Today on the Garden Fix, let's take a look at this beautiful flowering tree that's behind me. Hi, I'm Rob and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today I want to share with you this beautiful flowering magnolia tree. This is called Magnolia butterflies. And this one on our property is just starting to open up and bloom. And let's take a look at these beautiful flowers. Now, one thing I should tell you about this magnolia tree is that it is hardy from zones 5 through 9. And it's a pretty early bloomer compared to other magnolias. It's actually a problem for us sometimes because these beautiful flowers sometimes get harmed by snow. In fact, we're supposed to get some snow in a couple days, which will probably ruin some of these blooms. But I do want to show it to you right now as it's starting to bloom. So these flowers are tulip shaped, and they have these nice long yellow petals on them, and they actually do smell a bit lemony, which is kind of cool. So this tree gets about 15 to 20 feet tall, and it only gets about 10 to 15 feet wide, so it's not going to get much bigger than it is right now. It's a fantastic tree for a small garden or small yard. On top of that, it's a very disease-resistant tree. Butterflies magnolia will grow in pretty much any kind of soil. Also, really important, make sure that you plant this in a place where the soil drains really well. Pollinators absolutely love this tree as well. It isn't the greatest tree for fall foliage. However, it did offer some color last year. The leaves do turn a yellow in the fall. It isn't a brilliant yellow, but it does add color to the landscape. I can tell you this much too. Last year we did have robins nesting in this tree, so it does attract birds as well. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining me and taking a look at this beautiful tree. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and don't forget, the earth is your canvas. Paint it.